Hey everyone, today we're diving straight into the heart of Indian politics with the 2024 Lok Sabha election results. This is a moment charged with anticipation and tension across India and indeed around the world. The Election Commission of India is releasing results live for all 543 parliamentary seats. To say the energy is electric would be an understatement. Let's unpack what this means, not just for India but globally. First off, exit polls had been predicting a major win for the BJP-led NDA. If these predictions hold, we're looking at a scenario where the BJP might just increase its foothold, potentially influencing policies and the direction India takes for the next several years. This isn't just about local governance, it's about an agenda that could reshape facets of international relations, economic policies, and environmental strategies. Now, as these results start to roll in, it's crucial to consider what's at stake. Each seat, each number added to the tally is a voice of the Indian populace choosing their path forward. It's democracy in action, vibrant and loud. But what does this mean on a larger scale? Well, the outcome could sway market dynamics, affecting investments, stock markets, and more. Plus, it's a signal to the world about where India stands on global issues like trade agreements, defense policies, and climate change commitments. For those following, the results are being updated continuously on official websites like sciresults.nic.in and ec.gov.in. It's a day of rapid changes, so keep your eyes peeled as we keep you posted with the most critical updates. So what are your thoughts on this election? Did the results surprise you? Or was it as you expected? And what do you think are the implications of these results, both locally and globally? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'm eager to hear what you think. Remember, elections are not just about who wins or loses. They're a reflection of the hopes and concerns of millions. It's about shaping a future that resonates with the values and aspirations of the populace. So let's continue this conversation, keep asking questions and stay engaged. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay informed and keep questioning.